Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you seeing a vague error message while using Facebook Marketplace? Whether you are browsing listings, sending messages, or posting an item, this usually means a temporary glitch, connection issue, or account related restriction. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix error on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, why you are seeing error. So common causes include weak internet connection, Facebook app glitch, corrupted cache, outdated app version, temporary account restriction, Facebook server outage. So start with basic troubleshooting, okay? So first thing first, you can check your internet connection. So switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it off and retry. Stable connection fixes most generic errors. So poor signal is the #1 cause. Okay, you can now fully close and reopen Facebook. So close the Facebook app completely, wait 5 or 10 seconds and reopen and go back to Marketplace. So clears clears temporary glitches. So don't just minimize, force close it. Okay, so or you can also update the Facebook application as a whole. So open Apple Store or App Store. Okay, and look for Facebook in the search bar and look if it's they ask for an update or not. So then you can tap update if it's available, because outdated apps commonly trigger errors. So always use the latest versions. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.